Hey YouTube, this is Chris with Just Crawling, and today we're going to do some redneck ditch crawling. As you can see, I got my yellow Jeep sitting right about there across the ditch. My ditch is about 19 feet across and about 4.5 feet deep at its deepest point. And the first contestants we're going to race today are the Betty and the Deadbolt. We're both going to race them in the same gear. The ditch is kind of deep at the bottom, so going fast will not help you. And the first one through the gate wins. Both these vehicles are pretty similar because they've not been modified. The only thing I've done to Betty is just move her shock mounts a little bit to raise her body up so she wouldn't rub on the tires that I put on her. And I did put the Deadbolt tires on her. The Deadbolt is actually a C10 chassis and wheels with the Deadbolt body on it, but I've slimmed the Deadbolt body down to just the frame and the driver right above him to try to give it the same feel as the Betty as far as the weight distribution. The Betty has the better advantage because she has taller tires, but the Deadbolt has no front bumper, so he has no disadvantage into running into stuff. Okay, here we go. Elaine has got Betty, and I have the Deadbolt. 5, 4, 3, 2. We're both in low gear. 1, go.
Can you do it, Deadbolt? Get it, get it. He's gonna do it. Get there, come on, man. Will obviously be speeding this up.
Deadbolt is the winner.